Here's the news of the day. Vertical Aviation International urges safety-first regulations for BVLOS drone operations, ensuring they integrate smoothly without compromising low-altitude airspace safety. ANRA Technologies and Hover UAV launched SORA-MATE, an automated tool simplifying drone risk assessments for faster regulatory approvals in Australia and New Zealand. The Aerotech group has equipped its UH-60 Black Hawk fleet with GPMS's Foresight MX for enhanced predictive maintenance, improving aircraft availability and performance in remote areas. The UK Civil Aviation Authority aims to enable safe BVLOS drone operations by 2027, allowing drones to transport critical supplies like medicine and mail. The Port of Tallinn and Proceo signed an agreement to explore e-fuel production at Muuga Harbour, supporting carbon emission reduction and climate neutrality by 2050. IATA recommends Malaysia offer tax credits to promote sustainable aviation fuel, supporting its aviation sector's goal of reducing emissions by 18% by 2050. Care and Trappel have partnered to develop e-fuel distribution projects in France, aiming to support industry's decarbonisation efforts with clean energy solutions. India and Brazil have formed a partnership to boost sustainable aviation fuel production, focusing on feedstock challenges and technology sharing to decarbonise aviation. Hafner Energy partners with Bambuco to grow bamboo on marginal land for biomass-to-energy projects, producing renewable hydrogen and contributing to carbon sequestration. Jetcraft has promoted Chris Hollingsworth and Sean O'Leary to regional vice presidents, strengthening leadership as the US continues to lead demand for pre-owned business jets. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.